Hi, and so today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crop a video on CapCut application or website. All you need to do first of all, just go and open your browser and type CapCut.com and hit the enter button. So of course if it's your first time, you'll not find this as your home screen, you'll find another screen. At the right of that screen you will find an option to download the CapCut application on your PC. Of course, if you want to download it, you'll find a video or another video on this channel, so just go check it out. It will show you the steps how to download it or install it on your PC. And of course the left option will be for using it on a browser like I'm doing right now. Of course, when you click on it, you will have to log in into your account, and if you don't have an account, you will need to create one. You can even create your account with a Google account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So once you log in into your account, you'll find this as your home screen like me, and of course you can open some of your recent projects or just go and create a blank canvas or a new one. For me, I'm just going to click at blank canvas, and I'll need to wait a bit until it loads. Of course, if you have it on your PC, you'll not need to wait anything like this in the beginning. It will be basically much smoother, slightly, and it will has more features, the full features of course if you have it downloaded. So once you are actually here, let me just upload a simple video so I can start edit on my video. Once it's actually uploaded here, sorry, I'll need to drag it here to the editing area. So as you can see now, that will be actually my video. As you can see, it's just a 4-second small video, and if I want to actually crop the video, I'll need to select it first by just clicking on it. As you can see, I didn't had those selected area on the video because it was not selected. So how I selected that, just I clicked on it once, and as you can see now it's selected. And of course if I want to crop it now, as you can see, if I did this, like, I will not be able to crop it. I'll just make it smaller and bigger. But what will I need to do, just go here to the stream option and click on it, and as you can see now we will be able to crop. And let's say as an example, just take this part and click as confirm, and as you can see, here will be our video. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.